Some of the best upcycling ideas start with something that was never meant to be clothing, and this one definitely falls into that category. Today, I'm sharing creative clothing upcycling ideas inspired by Pinterest, and I want you to watch for the one you'd actually want to wear or recreate. Vote for your favorite in the comments, and once we reach around 100 total votes in the comments, I may recreate the winning idea with my own creative twist in a future video. But before we get too far into today's ideas, I have to tell you about one of my own projects because it started with a shower curtain. Yes, a shower curtain. I found one that I absolutely loved, and the fabric was way too pretty to spend its life hanging around a bathtub. I kept looking at it and thinking that would make an amazing skirt. So I decided to combine it with an old pair of jeans. I cut off the bottom of the jeans, keeping the waistband and upper section, and planned to use the shower curtain fabric to create the skirt underneath. In my head, this was going to be simple: cut the fabric, gather it, sew it to the denim, and suddenly I'd have a unique skirt. For a while, everything went according to plan, which should have been my first warning. I had the fabric ready to gather, and I started pulling the thread so it would bunch evenly enough to fit around the bottom of the jeans. The gathers were looking good, the fabric was coming together exactly the way I wanted, and I was already picturing the finished skirt. Then, right in the middle of pulling the thread, it snapped. Not slipped, not loosened, snapped. And there I was holding all that fabric while the gathers I had just worked on started disappearing. At that point, I had two choices: abandon the whole idea, or sew the gathering stitches and start pulling all over again. Since I had already sacrificed a perfectly innocent pair of jeans, quitting really wasn't an option. So I sat back down at the sewing machine, took a look at that shower curtain fabric, and started the gathering stitches all over again. This time I was a lot more careful because I was not interested in watching another perfectly good row of gathers disappear on me. I sewed a fresh line of long stitches across the top edge of the fabric, left myself plenty of thread at the end, and started pulling again, slowly. Very slowly. The kind of slowly where you're basically negotiating with the thread. I kept working the gathers across the fabric a little at a time, spreading them out so they looked even and checking the width against the denim section of the jeans. And thankfully, this time the thread held. Once I finally had the fabric gathered to the right size, I pinned it all the way around the bottom edge of the jeans. That was the moment when the project finally started looking like the skirt I had pictured in my head instead of a pair of jeans sitting next to a disassembled shower curtain. I kept adjusting the gathers because I didn't want one side looking full and pretty, while the other side looked like I had run out of fabric halfway around. If you enjoy hearing these upcycling stories while discovering new ideas, I'd love to have you subscribe so you don't miss future inspiration. With everything pinned evenly, I slowly started sewing the shower curtain fabric onto the denim. I kept stopping every few inches to make sure nothing had folded underneath or shifted out of place because after having to redo the gathering stitches once already, I was checking everything twice. When I finally made it all the way around, I turned the skirt right side out and held it up. For the first time, it actually looked like a real piece of clothing, and I could finally see that the crazy shower curtain idea might actually work. Once I had the shower curtain fabric completely attached to the denim, I tried the skirt on, and that was the moment I knew the whole ridiculous idea had actually worked. The gathered fabric gave it a full, flowy shape. The denim waistband made it feel structured, and somehow that shower curtain no longer looked like something that belonged in a bathroom. It looked like it had been meant to become clothing all along. After all the stopping, resewing, and carefully gathering the fabric a second time, seeing the finished skirt made that snap thread feel a lot less dramatic than it had in the moment. And if you want to see exactly how I made this type of skirt, I have an upcycling tutorial in one of my playlists that walks you through the process. And that playlist is linked in the video description. That's one of the things I love most about upcycling. You start with something ordinary, sometimes something completely unrelated to clothing, and by the end you have something nobody else is going to be wearing. It also reminded me that when one little part of a project goes wrong, it doesn't necessarily mean the entire project is ruined. Sometimes it just means you have to redo one annoying step while muttering a few things under your breath that probably shouldn't be embroidered on a pillow. If you're looking for even more inspiration after this video, check out the other upcycling playlists on my channel because there are plenty more ideas waiting for you there. I also sell fabric and craft supplies on my vintage shop. The link is in the video description. And when you get to the end screen, I'll have another upcycling video ready for you to watch next. Thank you so much for spending this time with me, and don't forget to leave your vote in the comments for your favorite idea from today's video.